Have you ever run into these problems while working in Blender? Keeping your favorite colors in a text file. Searching for colors you used in another project. Wanting to transfer your color palette between Blender files. That's where Color Memo comes in. Color Memo is a simple and lightweight color management add-on. Add colors from the color picker to your color list with a single click. In Vertex Paint and Texture Paint modes, you can instantly save your current brush color. Copy hex color codes to your clipboard with just one click. No more keeping your favorite colors in a text file. Reorder your colors, remove individual entries, or clear the entire list whenever you need. Export your current color list as a simple JSON file. Import your saved color palette into another project in seconds. The simple JSON format makes it easy to use your color palettes not only in Blender, but also in other applications and on the web. With Color Memo, spend less time searching and more time creating.